Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And I have another, well, a reveal and an unboxing. Kind of technically two unboxings and one reveal. It's like three things to show you today that I'm really excited about. So I will get the show right on the road. The first thing I got was from Coach. I bought it from Macy's and it came in a little plastic bag with, like this. This was in a white plastic bag, and now this is in a plastic bag within the white plastic bag. And
So they were practicing safe shipping.
yeah, right? I just have been addicted to this, as have a number of us on here. But I got another denim Coach item. I just got the little pouch. It was between that and the card holder, and I have so many card holders. Granted, I have
so many pouches.
Okay, I know, I do, but let's not bring that up right now. So I just, between the two, I decided to get the pouch. It's really cute. It's a little bit bigger than like the Chanel O pouches, but it's just such a nice little size. And it's stuffed. At least they did that nicely.
Like a Thanksgiving turkey.
Right. And so this just has, it's going to be hard to show you. It's got a cloth interior, and then there's one card slot here and a little bit bigger card slot in the back there. But this would be a nice little catch-all wristlet. And then if you want to just use it as a pouch, this clearly comes off because it's not connected right now. But yeah, I just got this from Macy's. And it's denim. It's so soft. I don't know that the other ones, oh, I don't have it right here right now, are quite as soft, but yeah, I'm just a sucker for this denim. I just think it's really cool. I actually just bought a skirt that's just about this exact same color, so I could wear them all together sometime.
Your coordinates.
Yeah, I got that. So the other thing I got is... what's in the box? What's in the box? If you have watched my channel before or some other channels, you may know exactly what's in the box.
A new cell phone?
No, where it's from. Well, I'm glad.
Salt and pepper shaker?
I'm glad you don't know where it's from. It makes me a little bit happier, I guess. It is from Hermes.
Oh boy.
And I got two things from Hermes.
That's a sminy.
A sminy.
It's a very small
Sminy?
hat box.
A sminy hat box. So here's, I'm sure, my receipts and stuff like that. But one thing
Sminy, that's a combination between small and tiny for those that are wondering.
Yeah, one thing I got, because I don't have anything like it, and I like to always have like one of everything or one of every color or whatever. So
you don't have one of anything. You have multiples of everything.
Well, I know I don't.
Oh, okay.
This will be one of each of only these. Mm-hmm. So we'll start with this one.
The sminy one?
Yeah, the sminy one. If you're familiar with this, you know what comes in here. And oh, this is so cool. It actually ties through the box there, because I'm sitting here thinking, oh, I can just pull the no, you have to slide that over. Now, I decided, I'd been debating, and I almost got myself the same twilly that I got Winnie for Christmas, but then I saw this one and I decided on this one. So I got myself a little twilly here.
Looks like an Easter twilly.
Here's the pictures. I forgot what it's called. It wasn't the water park one. It was between the water park one and this one. Super Silk, Rose and Turquoise. Forgot the name of it. Not like it matters, but no. So it's just got all these pretty pictures on here. There's like a unicorn, and then like this side. Got the bag and everything, and the bag with the like unicorn colored chain on it. But I got it because I wanted to get a twilly for my Pikatin. Now these don't have rolled handles.
Which is similar to the Pikachu.
They have just the flat leather ones, but I still, if I was going to get a twilly, I wanted it for my Hermes bag. And I finally decided I liked this one because I wanted something with some greens in it to go with this, so that I like the green and pink. And then I just thought that this went together, like these colors are pretty similar in here. So I got this to go with this. But I also might wear it in my hair because I clearly wear my hair up a lot. And I know you can use these as bracelets and things too. So I thought it was time. I don't have one. None. And until now. So I thought I'd get myself this cute little silk twilly from Hermes. Now this... There's something wrong with me in my brain.
That's the first step, is admitting you have a problem.
So I absolutely love the Kelvy card holders from Hermes. That's no secret. I have, well, in my defense, I think I only have 3 right now.
Only.
Right. And I, a while back, bought this item.
Last week.
Not this one, but an item very similar to this from Yugi's Closet. And I got it. And I liked it. And I liked the color okay. And I never used it. And so I traded it. My first and only trade so far. And then I started getting by trader's remorse and thinking, man, I shouldn't have traded it. I don't have any of them now. I always want to have one of most things, at least. And so I really should get a different one. And then this one popped up on the site.
We're not following your reasoning here.
And so I got another...
Oh, Lord.
Bastia. I just couldn't resist. It's orange. And it's like the Hermes orange.
Orange.
And then it has lime inside. So, let's see. Am I using... Just one second here. I want to point out that there was a method to my madness here. Not that there really ever is.
Several hours later.
No. But I'm going to just show you. It was like it was meant to be. Oh, of course.
Now you can run to your refrigerator and get snacks if you'd like.
Oh, stop. I'm using it. Okay. I lied. I mean, I can't show you, but I'm using it right now. One of my Kelvy card holders is this color. Inside, this is called lime, even though it's yellow.
And the other one is the inside orange?
No. But, and this is like, it was like the perfect orange color. It's like the Hermes orange. So I had to get it. And then it matched so nice with this, even though they'll never get worn together. I traded Ed and I got his Gucci card holder, which I love. I do not regret what I got, but I felt bad that I didn't have one of these anymore. And even though I don't know what I'm going to do with it, I guess people use it for change. Or earpods, whatever they're called.
AirPods.
AirPods.
Earplugs.
They get those and put them in here. But this is just so nice and puffy. And I love it. I absolutely love it. From the minute I got the Bastia originally, and it was in this really pretty dark rose, it was bigger than I thought it was going to be. It was different than I thought it was going to be. And there was just not a love at first sight thing as much as this. The inside color being different and the orange. And then it will look so cute with my Kelvy card holder because they'll match. And I love it. And I missed having one in my collection. So this is my other Hermes item. So that is my haul for you today. My pouch, my first silk twilly from Hermes, and my first brand new Bastia that I ever bought. And so yeah, that's what I have for you today. What do you think? Crazy? No?
Way.
No. Don't answer that. Never
Crazy.
mind. But what I will say is, please do leave a comment down in the comments below.
Crazy. Just put crazy in the comments.
No, I absolutely love when you do that. It really means a lot to me. Helps me get to know you guys a little bit better, and I get to know you. And I just said that twice, didn't I? Yeah. But I'm just so excited. The reason I'm half in and out too is it was really cool. I recommended a series of books called the Betsy Tacy series on one of my videos, and one of you read the Betsy Tacy book and is getting one of the other ones now, and I'm just so excited for you because, man, I would love to be reading those books again for the first time. They start out when Betsy is turning 5, and they go all the way to her wedding.
When
And
she's 12?
what?
When she's...
No.
Oh, sorry.
And they're beautiful books. They're autobiographical. The author grew up in Mankato, which she calls Deep Valley in her books, and all the people in the books are based on real people. And there's a society. The society owns Betsy's house and Tacy's house in real life, and they're just fabulous books. So I was really excited that I read that in the comments, and then a couple of you have been sharing bags that you've been getting, and I don't know, it just really means a lot to me. So I really appreciate that. If you haven't found me already over on Instagram, I'm over there too. I'm at James Jam, again, JAME_S_Jam. I usually put out a reel about once a week. I show my bag of the week and the SLGs I have inside of it. Every once in a while, I'll put up another extra reel or picture on there. But primarily, I really like to just kind of show my bags, what fits in them, and what I use together. Let's see. I put out videos here on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Sometimes I put out extras, but primarily those 2 days. And I think that's everything for today. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you hit the little bell notification, you get notified when I put videos up. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
All day I dream about sandwiches. That's not it. All day I dream about